The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
That volatility explosion, I think, truly will not happen again this year.
They sold it dramatically going into Europe, and I got a lot of questions for that, and I don't have a very good answer about why they were doing that. But the minute Europe stopped, the minute Europe ended, the volume lightened up here. So there was obviously something on. Some people were talking about the weaker dollar, but I think the key point is what's different than Friday, and what's different is we have a different tone on trade. Mnuchin basically signaled it's all negotiable potential.
Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country off the Wall Street Radio Network. The market is now down 200 points. Remember yesterday when we had that 675-point rally, or go back to Friday, we were down about 1,100 points, or actually about 1,500 points in 2 days. So come Monday or Friday, I said to my gang, you better let's take all our profits because we're shorting the market, and especially my video group, who just follows my stocks, my video stocks. And I said, let's take our profits, because every Friday we do that. And I said, I also think they're going to rally the market, because I got a sense that the plunger team was going to come in and push this market up. And they did. So we opened up about 400 points yesterday, and then went to about 675. And then all the jibber jabbers come on, tell us, oh, this is, hey, time to start buying. This is, we're going back to a bull market. This was just a glitch. They're not going to bother with the trade problem is over. It's behind us. All this nonsense. And I said to my gang, no, we're going to go back down again. Get ready to go back down again. So we kept a lot of our short positions on. And so today we're down about almost 200 points. And remember yesterday, we were up 600 points. So now we're back down. We already chopped off 200 of those 600 points. We're going to go further. Look, volatility, in a market, you get these big moves to the upside. Now, yesterday, that big move to the upside, let me go back. The reason why I have this volatility or the big moves to the upside is because there's very little trading going on in the market. When you have big ups and big downs, and you have a problem in Washington, we're not agreeing with each other, then that causes a big problem for the market. The market does not like uncertainty. And do you remember a couple of weeks ago, Larry Kudlow came out and he said this about the dollar?
I have no reason to believe President Trump opposes sound and stable dollar.
He says, I have no reason to believe that Trump opposes a sound and stable dollar, talking about a strong dollar. But wait a minute. But Mnuchin said the opposite, who is in charge of the dollar.
Having a weaker dollar is somewhat better for us.
So then yesterday, Mnuchin comes out and says, well, Trump, first of all, it was really embarrassed because the market was tanking, and he had to do something. So he sends out Mnuchin and tells him, look, calm everybody down. Just tell them, well, not to worry about the trade problems, because we're not going to really have a trade war. We're going to look at it one at a time. He says, let's get something to move this market back up at least 600-700 points. So that's what Mnuchin did. He came out and he just said, hey, no more trade wars. Everything seems fine again. We're just going to look at them one at a time. Well, first of all, it's not the trade war that's taking this market down. I've been saying that all along. When I said on January 16th, when I said there was going to be a correction in this market, well, listen, remember what I said, why I thought it was going to correct. All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5%. But anyways, the weaknesses that are under the market, what's the weaknesses? You got a weak dollar that's tearing the economy apart. With a weak dollar is associated with a weak economy, but they don't ever tell you that. The economy is terribly weak because we have terrible debt. And when you have terrible debt and your debt is growing much faster than your economy, there's only one place for the stock market to go, is down. The only thing that's been keeping this market propped up since 2008 is the printing of money and low interest rates to give to the CEOs money at near zero interest so they could buy their own stocks. It's the only reason the market goes up, because of engineering, financial engineering, stock buybacks. Exactly what happened yesterday morning when Trump got his team together and said we need to financially engineer the stock market back up about 600-700 points off the critical 200-day moving average. If you look at any chart around the world, any chart, you'll see a line on there. It's a 200-day moving average. That is support. That's like steel I-beams. Now think about this market is so manipulated. Wall Street has made sure, but most specifically, the Federal Reserve has made sure that the stock market has not dropped below that line. Because if the market drops below that line, it's been 400 days since that market dropped below that line. They make sure it doesn't. Because if it does, they know this market's going to go down 50, 60%. So we tested this twice now. We tested it twice. So as soon as it got to that 200-day, Trump brings it up 600 points. What are you, nuts? See, these big volatile moves up 600 points, which was engineered, are called dead cat bounces. Light volume makes these moves more extreme because there's very few people in the market. So this was engineered. So not only if he didn't engineer it, it would have happened anyways. And the stock market's not going down because of the trade wars. And I said that early on. This market is going down because of the debt, our national debt, the deficits, that we're spending more money we're taking in receipts. We took that $1.4 trillion corporate tax. Instead of collecting it, we gave it back to the corporations. Now we got to go borrow that $1.4 trillion in debt. Our debt is just incredible. And remember, what changed yesterday? Would someone tell me what changed yesterday from the day before? Everything's the same. Everything's the same. The economy, our fundamentals of this economy are still bad. When we went down 675 points, or 1,500 points the last 2 days, last week, we still had 3 months of retail sales falling off the cliff. 3 months of our retail sales are falling off the cliff. That has not changed. Industrial metals are falling off a cliff. That has not changed. Manufacturing falling off a cliff. Mortgage applications falling off a cliff. Refinance falling off a cliff. Why? Higher rates, higher rates, higher rates. Durable goods, those are the big ticket items. Appliances, big screen TVs, all the things that we buy when we have extra money, all falling off a cliff. The debt we have, both household debt, national debt, trade deficits, are all falling off a cliff. So when we rallied yesterday, that was fake. That was engineered. But the reason the market came down 1,500 points last week was not because of the possible trade wars. Yes, it maybe had 200 points to do with it. But the rest of it is we have historic household debt. We have historic national debt. We are broke. We have more. Banks are going down. Bank stocks are going down because they're worried about defaults. Because guess what? Our middle class is shrinking. It's been shrinking for years. They don't want to talk about it. Those jobs that make it possible for you to be in the middle class are disappearing. Those $21 an hour jobs are gone. Now you're making $12 an hour. That's why the market was dropping 1,500 points last week. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. You know, I always talk about my color-coded chart, the MV2, which is a buy and sell signal chart. Boy, was it accurate. On February 14th, we got such a strong buy signal on Micron Technology, it was incredible. We purchased it. Here we are, March 13th. It's up over 40%, and only now do I hear other financial shows talking about getting into Micron Technology.
Everybody's long Micron.
One of the stocks we really liked is Micron.
Their earnings have been much stronger.
Micron to the upside.
Micron really is one that I'm looking to outperform.
A little late, I'd say. That's why, again, join my gang, Phil's gang, and take advantage of my MV2 color-coded chart, which gives you accurate buy and sell signals, which give you a good night's sleep. For more information on my MV2 color-coded chart or the Phil's Gang, call 877-600-GANG or go to philsgang.com.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, I want you to think about this. The stock market since November, of 2017 or 16, we went up 30% since the night that Trump was elected up to inauguration, up 30%. That 30%, remember, that's all going to be given back. There's no question about it. That's all going to be given back. So, because all of that was just puff. That's all it was. Nothing but puff. If you go back to, let's go back to December, of 2016, or let's go to May of 2016, or May of 2017, rather. Okay, so if you go May of 2017 up to January 26th, when the market started to correct. So that is a gain of, I'll put it on my, let's put on my spiders here, JR. And we'll, let's put it up. So let's do December. All right, let's do January. I'm going to give you a number here. All right, so let's do from January, say January 12th, of 2017. So January 2017, we were at about 226, and then the market reached about 287, to 226 to 287. So we had a 27% gain. That's all puff. It's all fake. That was, remember, everything about we're going to repeal Obamacare. We're going to put $1 trillion into all the infrastructure. Remember all that? Everything was going to be just unbelievable. I mean, it was just fantasy land. So that whole rally of 30%, there's nothing underneath it. It's not stable. It's all puff. It's all stock buybacks. It's all CEOs buying their own stock back. They're buying into this fantasy land. Well, it's over. The fantasy land, I said on January 16th, fantasy land was coming to an end. It's over because of our debt. Our debt is a killer. You can't have debt in this country growing faster than your economy. You're dead. This market has been broken. This market has been broken. It's been destroyed. I've been in this business for 45 years. Been on this earth for 72. I can tell you I've seen so much of this that when these guys on CNBC, on Fox, and the rest of them come on in the morning and say, oh, this is nothing. And then they started this big game. This was a big fake game of yesterday when Mnuchin came out. Oh, we're going to be fine. We're not going to have any trade wars anymore. All Trump was trying to do is push the stock market back up. That's all Trump cares about is the stock market going back up. He bought it. Don't you understand? But there's nothing to push it back up. It's over. When we have that stupid omnibus bill, listen to this, the omnibus bill. It's a great name, omnibus bus. The Republicans threw Trump under the bus when they had him sign this bill. This bill was so stupid, it doesn't even look like a there's no conservative values in the bill. This bill was signed to play to the base of the liberals, the Democrats. They're so scared that this bill, the omnibus bill, is going to be, that's it. That's going to be the largest bill signed going into the midterms. And they, ever since they lost Pennsylvania a couple of weeks ago, the Republicans are scared to death. They became cowards. So they just, like a cheap suit, they folded. And they said, we'll give you the liberals anything you want, trying to get some of their base. Are you kidding me? This is what happened. And remember when Trump came out and said this, why he signed this bill, this terrible bill that was all liberal, all welfare? Here's why.
As a matter of national security, I've signed this omnibus budget bill.
Because of national security? Are you kidding me? Do you really believe for one moment? Do you think Trump believes for one moment? Russia, China, North Korea, all ready to attack us. And you think they say, oh my God, hold up. Hold up. They increased their defense spending by $70 billion. We can't attack. We're going to lose. Do you really believe this crap?
As a matter of national security, I've signed...
No, I'll tell you what national security is. National security is our debt. Our debt is more of a threat than ISIS. The Taliban, more threat than Russia and China and North Korea together. We're the biggest threat. We're the biggest threat to ourselves. We're a bigger threat to ourselves than Russia, China, and North Korea. We should be concerned about ourselves. If anyone believes for one moment they signed this liberal bill because they thought $70 billion would keep North Korea, China, and Russia from attacking us, you're nuts. See, once you could distinguish the difference between Republican bills and Democrat bills and their policies, you can't tell anymore. Republicans once stood for military strength, free market system, free market health care, secure borders, small government, small budget deficits, curtailing national debt, so make sure the interest rates aren't going up. Because when you have national debt increasing every year, 18 trillion, 10 trillion, 21 trillion, that means your job is at stake. That means your wages become lower, your income becomes lower, your savings becomes lower, your lifestyle becomes lower. Your food, your shelter, your clothing, your education, healthcare costs all go up. The problem with the national debt, the consequences are terrible. So he comes out and he says, and the bill, to come out and say he signed this bill because this would discourage anybody attacking us? Are you nuts? The Democrats, think what they got in this bill. They got a boost to affordable housing tax credit. When we get back, we're going to look at some stocks to make some money. Then we're going to go over this stupid omnibus bill that threw Trump under the bus.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Listen to what people are saying about philsgang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6%.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com.
How do you see the world? At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, now the stock market is down 380 points. Yesterday it was down 600 points, so we're halfway there. But here's what's interesting. On Friday, when the stock market closed, and if you were with me and you followed my video stocks, this is targeted to people. This is just one product I have, one program targeted to people who are very busy, don't have time to learn. All they say is, I just want somebody to make money for me, just to, I just want to follow whatever he does, I want to do. So I opened up a program like that. So every day I give you a stock. It's just like any other self-help video. So I decide to, in one stock I always give you is the Spiders, the S&P 500, the bucket of the 500 best companies. You should follow me that every day. Follow me on every day. So we were up about 13% going into Friday. Return. 13% return in about what? Maybe about a week. And I said to the people who, if the people who follow me on my video stock, the video stock group, I said, okay, let's take profits. It's Friday. We do that every Friday. And just leave a scout on. Now, a scout is just leave on one share. Just leave the position open. So we came in Monday morning, and sure enough, I was right. I told everybody they're going to run this market back up. They went up 655 points. And then Bob Pisani comes on and says, oh, that's it. Everything's fine again. Not to worry. Everything's fine. Okay. And all the jibber jabbers on Varney and everything's fine again. No problem. This was just a little hiccup. I said, no. I said, this is going to go right back down again and test the lows. This one low that they're trying to stay away from on the S&P is around 257. 257. Okay, so if you have SPY chart, just think SPY. If you have that chart, it's about 2,580. So just think of 258. They have not broke that 200-day moving average in 400 days. Every time it gets there, they come in, the plunger team, the president and his team, make sure it never breaks through there. They financially engineer the market because he knows the day it breaks through there, all hell is going to break loose, especially the banks. The banks are in trouble. So you look at the banks, and the ETF for the banks are XLF. They, too, are right at that 200-day moving average. And that hasn't broken in 400 days. We're at a critical point in the stock market, and it's going to break. It's going to break there. I've been right, haven't I, since January 16th? I told you we're going to have a correction between January 16th and the second week of February, and then we got the correction started on January 26th. The correction is still going on. We have started the correction. The bubble has been pricked. Now, stock markets just don't go straight down. So Trump tried to push it up yesterday. It's failed. Because why? Because he can't fix the debt. So here's what he did. He signs this stupid omnibus bill, which was a Republican bill. I mean, it looked more liberal than the Republican. It was stupid what he signed because they're scared to death for the midterm election. They're going to lose the House. They're going to lose the Senate. So they just did anything to placate the liberals. Unbelievable. But first, let's talk about the market. How are you going to make some money? Here's my number, 877-600-GANG, $39.95 a month. And if you want to, you can pick any program you want. But if you want the program where you get by video 3 times during the day, and you get updates 3 times during the day, just takes you a few minutes. Click on and say, okay, I'm going to follow Phil Spiders. Or I'm going to fill, like we shorted Bank of America. That went down about, I don't know, I think we got about 10% return on Bank of America. Just follow 1 or 2. If you just follow the Spiders, the 500 stocks, that's all. I tell you exactly what to do. When to buy, when to add to your position, when not to add to your position. Like Friday, I said, let's take our profits. Okay, so I'm coaching you all the way through. You just if you're a truck driver and you're going from coast to coast, okay, you just flip open your laptop. You go to Phil's Gang. You go to the video stock group. Click on, say, okay, I wonder what Phil's saying about. I'm following Bank of America. What should I do? Or I'm following the Spiders. What should I do? And then you do it. You don't even give me your money. I don't take your money. You select any online broker you want. So if you're going to buy the S&P 500 Spiders, maybe you want to go through Ameritrade. Maybe you want to go through anybody you want. That's not my business. But my business is you follow me, and I'm going to make sure we're correct. We're correct so that you can create some wealth. You got it. Most people do not have enough money. Most people that are 5 years away from retiring don't have enough money to retire. Even 12 years away from it, they don't have enough money. So let me help you at least catch up. So try it for a month. See if I'm right or not. You're investing $39.95 in yourself. So this market, you're not going to, when you're with me, you don't care if it goes down. You don't care if it goes up. You're going to have a good night's sleep. That's my job. I worry about it. I stay up at night. I make sure you're out when you're supposed to be out, just like on Friday. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. It's Sarasota. They're here ready to take your call, 877-600-GANG, or go online to philsgang.com, sign up, start, and then follow my 1 to 3 stocks that I do by video. It's one group of stocks, and you can pick which one you want to follow, okay? All right, let's move on. So here's what they did. This omnibus bill is ridiculous. Here's what they did. The Democrats, guess what they gave the Democrats? They earned a boost to their affordable housing tax credit. They got an increase in child care and development block grants. They got $300 million in additional student loan forgiveness. They got an expansion of their low-income housing tax credit. This isn't a Republican bill. This is a liberal bill. Democrats were able to stop funding for the wall and allow for only 33 miles of fencing, not concrete. They agreed to it, the Republicans. The Democrats won, making sure there's no fund, that they can't, the Republican can't defund Planned Parenthood, or they can't defund sanctuary cities. Can you imagine? This is a liberal bill. This is nuts. The omnibus bill increases spending for everything, including sanctuary cities. And there'd be no spending to increase ICE agents. We need more and more ICE agents. In this bill, the omnibus bill, they made sure, the liberal Democrats, that there'd be no budget to put on ICE agents. But they had plenty of money for Planned Parenthood. Can you imagine? And Republicans also agreed to no more gun control without due process. The bill increases spending $130 billion over last year. Nobody knows this. And worse, they eliminated, the liberals got this, they eliminated all spending caps forever. No more can they cap it. No more can they cap it. They can spend what they want forever. This is going to lead to trillions of more spending. This means our budget deficits are going to go through the roof. This means then when you have your budget deficits going through the roof, they have to be financed. How do they finance them? Print money. That means the money in your wallet, the value goes down. That means that when you go to buy stuff, it's going to be so much more money, but your wages haven't gone up. You're going to get killed. And that's why the middle class, we're having big trouble with this country. The middle class used to act as a stabilizer for our country. No more. Not since outsourcing, not since the global economy. The American middle class is shrinking. It's been shrinking for years, especially under Obama, because the jobs that pay enough to support that middle class lifestyle are disappearing. More than 60% of the 173 occupations for middle class to make $21 an hour have disappeared. 60% of 173 occupations that pay middle class wages of $21 an hour is gone, been replaced by service jobs of $12 an hour. This is nuts. Nobody talks about it. That's why you want to join the gang. Follow me, sleep at night. You don't care if the market's going down or up, because I am your captain.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Graney, philsgang.com. You know, I always talk about my color-coded chart, the MV2, which is a buy and sell signal chart. Boy, was it accurate. On February 14th, we got such a strong buy signal on Micron Technology, it was incredible. We purchased it. Here we are, March 13th. It's up over 40%, and only now do I hear other financial shows talking about getting into Micron Technology.
Everybody's long Micron.
One of the stocks we really liked is Micron.
Their earnings have been much stronger.
Micron to the upside.
Micron really is one that I'm looking to outperform.
A little late, I'd say. That's why, again, join my gang, Phil's gang, and take advantage of my MV2 color-coded chart, which gives you accurate buy and sell signals, which give you a good night's sleep. For more information on my MV2 color-coded chart or the Phil's Gang, call 877-600-GANG or go to philsgang.com.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors. And we also recognize that your time is valuable, so we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
All right, the stock market's down 400 points. So the gains we had yesterday were pretty much wiped them out. What happened to this tariff? I thought the tariffs were over. These people do nothing but lie. That's all they do is lie. The president, he's getting such bad advice. Finally, they got rid of Cohen. He's going to have to get rid of Mnuchin. All you need to do, stop worrying about all that stuff. Okay, no one's going to help you. Your 401k, is anybody trying to help you in the 401k? Did anybody get you out on Friday like I did? I got my gang out on Friday. We took all our profits, put it in our pocket. And then we only held a few shares on each one of our possessions. I said the banks are going to go back down. And the banks are collapsing again. These banks are going to get killed. So what you should do is join my gang. And if you're very busy, do the video stock group. If you're not, you want to learn and go through our classrooms and go through, all the whole process, you can do that too. You can devote as much time as you want. Okay? But if you're a person that's busy and you know you're in trouble for retirement, you know you haven't got enough money for retirement, you know you have no way of catching up, you know your 401k doesn't work for you, too expensive, the fees kill you, your planner doesn't care about you. What's your planner care about you for? You think he's going to take care of you or himself? He's always going to take care of himself first. Now, I don't handle your money, okay? You just follow what I do. I open it up to you. I say, okay, so now I think these banks are going to continue to go down, and I've been dead right. And we made on all the banks last week a lot of money on these banks. We were shorting them. And then we got out on Friday because they said to my gang they're going to do something stupid and rally these things Monday morning, and they did. So now they're on their way back down again. So here's what you should do. Join my gang. Try it for 1 month. It's $39.95. And why don't you follow me on the spiders? So you'll make money whether they go up or whether they go down. And at the end of the month, if you haven't made money, then you can just leave. Say, okay, no, I haven't made any money with this guy. Just leave. Just the spiders. Or if you want, you can do with me the banks. The ETF for the banks, XLF. You can do one or the other, or do both. And I put it on a video every day. Or you can do an individual stock like gold. Gold is going to go through the roof. I'm telling you, gold is going to go through the roof. You want to be positioned with me with gold. The last time I said this about 2 years ago, gold went up, our mining stocks went up 120%. 120%. It's going to happen again. Now, I can't guarantee anything. Just because it went up 120% before, I can't tell you it's going to go up 120% again. But here's what I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you that you're going to sleep at night, and if you're following my video, it's like a self-help video, you haven't got to do a thing. If you don't have 8 minutes, 5 minutes to sit there and say, okay, I got to do what Phil's telling me. Okay, I need to add some more shares. Then you go online and add more shares or take shares off. I don't know what you're going to do. What are you going to do for retirement? Social Security? That's not going to work. So right now the market has given back 400 of its 600 points. I'm telling you, this is not about the tariff. It's not about the tariff. And this bill was so bad that he signed, the president. The Republicans gave the liberals a blank check. That's what happened. A blank check. They're so worried. And what's going to happen now is this bill is going to increase spending $130 billion over last year. We can't afford it. Our economy, our spending is 30 times more than our growth. We're not growing to absorb it. This will cause interest payments on our national debt to surge even more than they are now. And China wants more interest because they know what danger we're in. So they're asking for more and more interest. And when we got up to 3.7% on $10 trillion of national debt, the stock market plunged 45%. We're now near 2.9%. 2.9% on $21 trillion. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Remember, the last time I said it was going to correct was at 2.7%. I was right on. Now I'm going to tell you this is going to correct somewhere between, we're going to have a huge correction when that 10-year Treasury yield hits around 3.2, 3.7, right in there. So don't you want to be making money? And then we'll make it on the way back up when they do, what they're going to do is another QE. Now, this omnibus bill is the worst bill ever. The bill shows the Republicans are lying to us. They're not serious about draining the swamp because they're not serious about curtailing our budget deficits. They don't care about spending more than they take in. They don't care that our national debt keeps going up. Because, remember, the consequences to us are much different than them. The politicians in Congress, they keep getting rich. Our consequences are the economy slows. We can't get increased wages. We can't get anything on our savings. Our dollar weakens. That means every time we go out and buy something, we're screwed. We got to have more paper in our wallet. This is nuts. And the lame excuse was the reason why they signed? Because they it would secure America. 70 billion. I couldn't believe this.
As a matter of national security, I've signed.
National security. $7 billion is going to say Russia and China and whoever else is going to ISIS. They're going to say, oh, we can't attack America now. They got 70 billion more money to build tanks. Are you kidding me? Here's what the real problem is, and again. If Trump wants to avoid becoming a socialist nation, because who did he try to satisfy? Who was he trying to help? Who was he trying to placate and make friends with? The worst group in the world. You got these people right here.
This liberal will be all about socializing.
Be about. And you got Warren.
There is nobody in this country who got rich on his own.
Oh, really? Somebody help me with my business? How about Bernie Sanders?
The Republicans have said no, no, no. They do not want America to succeed.
So these are the three people that the Republicans played to in this bill. If they want to avoid becoming a socialist nation of oligarchs, where politicians and the rich live like in this big grand style and the rest of us live in just a little bit above poverty, then keep going. Keep signing these kind of bills. Are you kidding? He's supposed to be vetoing a bill like this, not signing for it. This is like giving the liberals, the socialists, Christmas in March. Trump has to go back and embrace the attitude of the candidate Trump. Where did he go? Where did he go? He's acting like all the other presidents. He's putting jerks around him. He needs to totally gut all the social programs, starting with Obamacare, so bureaucrats in Washington can't control every aspect of our lives because they believe the socialists that are sitting behind, that are in Washington, they're still Obama's people. We can't get out of there because you can't get new appointments. They believe they know what's better for us than we do. So in the meantime, let's make some money. So join my gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I have folks right here waiting for your call, or just go online, philsgang.com. It's $39.95, and then look forward. I'll be doing my first video again tonight. Every night when the market closes, I start my videos, and there's about 2 to 3 stocks, and the one that you should start following right away are the spiders. The spiders. You should always be in the spiders, no matter how busy you are, because that, I'm telling you, that's where you're going to make money, and you're not going to have to sweat it. The other thing is, we got oil. Oil and gold is going to start coming back big time. But right now, you got to have a little patience. Got to have a little patience. They're not doing so well right now, but they will, especially gold. The dollar is going to collapse totally. It's going to collapse. The banks are going to be a great place to make money. So between the oils and the banks and the metals and the spiders, just follow me. That's all. Just follow me, okay? 877-600-GANG. Listen, it's just unbelievable, this stupid bill he signed.
Last week's omnibus bill were significant increases in defense spending as well as non-defense discretionary spending. The caps were blown. Basically it was a situation where one side said, you give me my defense spending and I'll give you your discretionary spending.
Unbelievable, isn't it? All right, join my gang. They're waiting for your call. 877-600-GANG, and you can sleep at night. You haven't got to do a thing. I do it for you.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.